Hello everybody, Alex here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank going Commando. In the last episode we took care of Planet Ndako, we freed our friend Clank, and we saw the first encounter of the Thugs for Lust leader. This episode we're going to take care of the next planet in our agenda that we unlocked in Maktar Nebula, Planet Barlow. 2 paths in this one as well. You can see, okay. Start off collecting bolts. Use the vendor, okay. We have another new gun, the secret gun. Only 5,000 bolts, not that bad. For now, I'm gonna switch out with the tracker beam this. Let's use it. Use these guys. And use sniper rifle. Switch to a sniper rifle for that big purple looking thing there. Also, no scope. God damn it. Oh well. I still enjoy this game. I still treat this like a sniper even if I'm like 2 feet away from the guy. Anything over here? No. Let's continue. You're gonna get clapped up, son. Shoot that purple looking thing. Boom. Go ahead and get the mini turret going. Shoot those little, like, Spyro looking things. I have no idea what the hell those things are. And the vendor's not really that far from here. I can just go back and get some more rifle ammo. Sniper ammo. Gadgetron. Oh, this is like... Oh, hell no. Is there like a hive somewhere? Is there like a hive of these things? Shoot these sons of bitches now. Put them to rest. Okay. Oh, the turrets are exploding. Okay. And this is almost upgraded. The rifle's almost fully upgraded already. Wow. Even the game knows I hate sniper rifle.
Double tap triangle to switch between recently used items.
Thank you, game. I will do that. Okay. Vaporizer. Oh man, that's gonna be useful. Let's use this. Get rid of those purple look The hunched Barneys. A mutated Barney. Dinosaur. Let me see. Yeah, Monsterpedia. Barlowian Sowerbees. Yeah, a dinosaur. It's like a mutated Barney, if you really think about it. Mutated Barney. That was super dark. He just fell to his death. That beast fell. That purple thing fell to its death. I don't think I ever had that happen to me in this game before. It's like, I don't want to leave anymore. My master's dead. Yeah, miniature, get these guys. Need two. Need more. More power. More is more. And there's actually quite a lot to do in this planet, so I shouldn't be fucking around too much. Oh. Whoa! I forgot those can charge. Oh my god, I completely forgot those charge at you. I didn't realize those beasts, those purple things charged at you. Yeah, I was like, when I saw those purple things again, I was like, okay. Back here. Oh man, there's a lot of them coming. Excuse me. Oh, more nanotech. Good. I could use that. What is in here? Besides the opportunity to get bolts. I see a help desk lady, but... Ratchet! I'm thinking this is like conspiracy theory. Barlow part of the Solana Galaxy. Okay. Oh, good. Alright, I can buy them all for free. Well, not that, but... Okay, bomb glove. Oh shit, okay, I'm gonna buy all the ammo. Oh well. Let's go down. This Rhino 2. Ooh, I got a lot of work to do if I want to get that. But I probably won't be able to get it right now. Whoa! More of those, like, Kimber mutants. Yeah, my dog's name is Kimber. These enemies look a lot like her. A red healer and Australian Shepherd mix. You know, short tail, Yeah, it looks like a shoulder dog. Okay. Okay. There's another weapon in the next, like, free roam planet where you have to get a lot of bolts for that, so. This is the next part I was talking about. Hover bike racing. Yeah. It's alright, bro. I got Blue Bell all covered, man. Alright. And we will need the Ratchet and Clank 1 weapons for a big reason. One of the planets later on in the game has a skill point where you have to kill all the enemies on the planet with the Ratchet and Clank 1 weapons only. Oh boy, that's good fun. Hover bike controls. X for acceleration, L1 fire weapon, and R1 to activate turbo. I'm gonna try and get the boost start. Oh, folks. These are also a pretty good way to get bolts. Ooh. Here's a button bolt. Why it's over there, I got no idea. But now I just need to see if I can catch up to these guys. You just gotta finish first and you can get yourself a whole bunch of bolts and a skill point. There's actually a skill point for the hover bike as well. You just gotta beat the race, win the race in a certain amount of lap, a certain amount of time, and the skill point is yours. So it's like the hoverboard racing in the first game, except instead of a hoverboard, it's a hover bike. Ooh, updated. So if you're going to get the skill point, either pack turbos like crazy and take very fast routes or very specific lines. A whole bunch of Barney the dinosaur mutants, so Barney the mutant dinosaur lookalikes there. Yeah, those purple dinosaur, the Sorbeast, they look like Barney got a mutation. Can't wait to open my presents. Whoa! Let's see. 222. Okay, 12 seconds to improve. But first.
Great racing, buddy. Here, take this helmet so the guys know you're one of us. Thank you, sir. Uh-oh. Incoming message from the boss. Attention all Dogsfaless employees. First of all, whatever slug brain's been eating all the choo-choo bars in the break room, better quit stuffing his face. Hello? Hey, turn those lights off. It's bad feng shui. Next, our space rendezvous point has been moved to, and listen up, knuckleheads, the Felsen system. Sector 1, 2, 3, 4, lastly, the company picnic is this Sunday. Don't forget to bring your own juice this time. Hey! I saw that, Cletus! You just turned yourself right out. Don't worry. The boss only yells because he loves us.
Yes, sir. I do feel he's the
So he's like Gordon Ramsay with his employees.
Not really.
We should scope out that rendezvous point. Yes, we might intercept some stray transmissions.
Yeah. We're not done with you yet, Bluebell. I'm gonna do all the circuits and then off camera I'll grind. Alright, here is circuit number 2. The intermediate circuit where you get introduced to weapons. There's actually 4 different things you can collect with those. Blue crates with the question mark on them. It's like Mario Kart in a way. The yellow thing is machine guns. Like the machine gun look-alike. The bluish white looking thing is like a lightning beam. Yeah, it's like a shockwave. And it's useful if a lot of races are in the way. This bubble is like a shield, like triple shells and triple bananas from Mario Kart, and the shield from the Sonic the Hedgehog games. And there's one more from the case. I'm just using up the ammo. It's getting rid of it. Come on, show me what the other thing is. Oh, those. I don't think you can kill the enemies in the area. Seconds off. Okay, Vokovar circuit. Main canyon and caves open. Okay. Oh, good, I got the turbo boost. Nice. Okay, here's the red thing. And here's the other weapon. The red thing, the rocket, that's like rockets. That's the rocket launchers. It's really good if an enemy is really close up on you. Just fire a rocket, boom. Racer's out of the picture. Or you can just destroy it for shits and giggles. Yeah, sorry, you mutant Barney. Mutate Barney. Gotta get you out of the way, bro. Okay, I think this skill point you got to get a lap past 2 minutes 10 seconds, I think. I think this shortcut's gonna make it a lot easier. Oh yeah, the other racers can take the shortcuts too. Whoa! Shit, I missed the turbo. We gotta go faster. Ooh, that was a pretty bad lap. I better really nail it in this last one. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh, it's gonna be close. 208.6, and I got the skill point. Almost by a second and a half. And I won 3,000 bolts. Nice. Okay, good. Assault circuit. Racers attack Ratchet. Oh boy. These next couple races are gonna be tricky. Where the racers attack you. And if they attack you, you will fall behind big time. Let's avoid that. Oh yeah, if you lose... Oh yeah, if you get hit, if you die, you lose your weapon. And lose all your boost. Which sucks. Load your balls. Whoa. Most of the time the aim is off on their end is terrible. Whoa! I went the wrong way. Darn. Oh yeah, the shield, it's going to be useful if the racer locks on you. Onto you. I'm not giving up so easy. I'm not gonna give up so easily. Didn't get me. Boom. If I keep this good pace up, victory is sure to be mine. They're trying to attack me. Oh, I have a huge itch in my nose. Yeah! And the expert circuit for 6,000 volts. Okay. Yeah, 5 challenges total with the hover bike races. If you get all 5, you get a pretty big cash prize. But I'm going to get it even bigger because these I think I'll either do twice or 3 times. Excuse me. Oh yeah, and the expert ones, I think they move really fast with the expert circuit, so I might run into a few issues. Yeah! Ooh, that was close. 6,000 bullets, alright. Okay, I will be off camera for a short period. I will be back once I'm done grinding.